Welcome, plant lovers! Today, we're taking you on a tour of this beautiful outdoor nursery in North Hollywood. It's called the Standard Design Group Nursery. This nursery has over 3 acres of plant inventory. So whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your backyard or a contractor working on a full landscape project, there's a huge selection of plants, trees, and landscaping materials to explore. Let's take a walk through the nursery and show you what they've got. One of the first things you'll notice walking through the nursery is their selection of privacy hedges. These are perfect if you're trying to add a little more privacy to your yard. They carry hedges in different sizes, so whether you want something you can plant and grow out or something more established, there are plenty of options. They also have a variety of shade trees, including beautiful olive trees that can really add character to a landscape. Trees like these are great for creating structure in a yard while also providing some much-needed shade, especially here in Southern California. Another section you'll find here is their citrus and fruit tree selection. Citrus does incredibly well in this climate, so it's always a great option if you want something that looks great in your yard and also produces fresh fruit you can enjoy without having to go to the store. If you're going for more of a tropical or resort-style vibe, they also carry a variety of palm trees and tropical plants that can instantly change the feel of an outdoor space and give it that classic Southern California look. Or you could go for a desert vibe by adding some cacti and succulents to your landscape. Just be careful not to get poked. Of course, they also have a beautiful selection of roses and flowering plants that add color and fragrance to any garden. These are perfect for garden beds, walkways, or anywhere you want to bring a little extra color into your landscape. This nursery is endless. They really have everything you can think of, from climbing vines to beautiful shrubs, or even if you're just looking for soil and pots, they've really got you covered. If you're ever in the North Hollywood area and looking to add some beauty to your yard or just looking for some inspiration, the Standard Design Group Nursery definitely has a lot to check out. Hopefully, this tour gave you a better look at what they have here. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching!